Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Helia Mohammadi and I'm the Chief AI and Precision Health Officer with Microsoft Healthcare. Today I have the privilege of having Felix Zhang from Mackenzie Health. Felix, can you start by introducing yourself and your role at Mackenzie Health?
Yeah, absolutely. My name is Felix Zhang. I am the Chief Technology Officer at Mackenzie Health, and we are a two-hospital health network in the York region, about 30 minutes north of Toronto in Ontario, Canada. I oversee the technology services portfolio that includes application, infrastructure, and the cybersecurity functions. I'm very glad to have this opportunity to share our stories, insights, and experience about the partnership with Microsoft.
As we all know, ransomware attacks or any disruptions to healthcare security is one of the major challenges that healthcare is facing. And it's not only having a toll on the impacted hospital, but also on unaffected hospitals, with some statistics around 46% increase in waiting room time and 47.6% increase in stroke code activations. I'm wondering, Felix, how have evolving threats such as ransomware or insider risks impacted your approach to healthcare security?
Yeah, so one of the challenges healthcare organizations face is keeping up with constantly evolving cyber threats while we are working with very limited resources. For example, our IT team is often stretched by competing priorities and does not have the dedicated time or resource to continuously adapt to the ever-changing cyber landscape. So instead of conducting our own research, evaluating new security tools and solutions, then doing the implementation, we found that adopting the security toolkits provided by Microsoft was a much more effective approach. Microsoft has provided incredible support to us and help us to upskill our staff members, invest in proof of concept projects, and provide guidance to ensure a smooth adoption of the new tools. With this approach, allows us to quickly deploy measures to address emerging threats and enhance our security posture.
This is wonderful to hear. I'd like to dive a little bit deeper with you regarding this partnership addressing these security challenges. Can you share specific examples of tools or services that made this impact?
Yeah, so our partnership with Microsoft has accelerated our adoption of new tools and solutions to address the security challenges. For example, earlier this year, we worked with Microsoft and Sapphire Health Technology Consulting to build our first cloud-hosted EMR instance in Azure, which allows us to sync the on-prem EMR database to the cloud infrastructure in real time. This cloud read-only instance allows our providers and clinicians to access essential patient information such as the demographics, allergies, medications, like lab results and clinical notes, and it ensures continuity of care during a production system outage or a severe cyber incident. In addition, this copy of the EMR database is isolated from other EMR environments to reduce the risk of cross-contamination during a cyber attack, helping us to protect the integrity of our patient data. By leveraging this partnership, we are now better prepared against cyber threats, ensuring that patient care remains safe and undisrupted during a cyber event, and also to maintain the integrity of our data.
Thank you for sharing that. This is a fantastic step towards securing and adding that extra layer of security to your EMR. I'm wondering if you could share your experience with cloud migration and what were the primary drivers for this transition and what challenges did you encounter?
We started our cloud migration journey a few years ago with a focus on software as a service. We completed our migration to Office 365 and have migrated most of our business applications to the cloud. So this improves our operational efficiency and allows us to be more agile in implementing new features and workflows. So in the coming years, as our on-prem infrastructure ages and approaches its end of life, we will shift our focus to evaluating the next-gen infrastructure options for our client computing and clinical systems. Our key considerations will be cost efficiency, data security, cyber resilience, and overall reliability of the infrastructure, especially since we have faced challenge in these areas in the past. So looking ahead, we hope to continue the partnership with Microsoft, leverage your expertise to help us through this journey.
Thank you. And we're also looking forward to strengthening our partnership in that regard. What role has Microsoft solutions, such as Microsoft Defender for Cloud or Azure Active Directory, played in enhancing your overall security posture?
So we've adopted almost a full stack of Microsoft security products like secure email, endpoint protection, multi-factor authentication, etc. So this gives our users a unified experience across all the platforms and make our operations much more efficient and much easier for training and also user adoption for those tools.
Thank you so much for sharing that insight. I'm curious to know what other Microsoft products you've used to improve your care delivery.
Besides our security and the cloud services, Microsoft has fostered our innovation across many domains. For example, Microsoft assists us in utilizing Power Apps to create innovative solutions to address gaps and enhance our operational efficiency. I remember about 4 years ago, we worked with Microsoft and your partner vNext to create our first Power Apps application. It is a physician on-call tracker that allows us to digitalize the scheduling process for on-call physicians. Since then, we've developed more than 20 applications on this platform, covering various functions from finance to lab and in many areas throughout the organization. For example, we built an app to track lab specimen through transportation to prevent any specimen losses. During the COVID-19 pandemic, we developed an online scheduling system for the vaccination clinic using Power Apps in less than a week. Currently, we are continuing our partnership with Microsoft to drive innovation, especially in Gen AI area, and to develop proof of concept use cases. I hope we will be able to share more details of our AI journey in the future.
Thank you so much for sharing that. And we are all excited and looking forward to seeing the next stage of our collaboration.
Thank you.